That shit low key tech.
Yeah. Rainy days don't last, man. Keep your head up, man. Keep your umbrella up.
Rainy days go away. Just make sure you always get paid. Rainy days go away. Just make sure you always get paid.
I keep it real with my bitches. I don't sell hope, and I don't sell dreams. Nah, bitch, I sell dope, and now I hit a couple scams if they bustin' dope. Bro, she got 100 pieces, not just a couple bows. Niggas think I'm from the D, I'm rockin' buffaloes. Hit New York with E, might serve a bag in Buffalo. I'm from the Lex where they arrive before a couple pros. So many D niggas in this bitch like 7 in a row. Shoot the bait away, burn out soon as I press this load. When you fucking with that press, ain't gotta use the stove. Molly boats for 24, I gotta get them gone. 40 cal make them bachata like it's reggaeton. Dick in the 40, you get fucked if you a Molly cone. Passports and different names, catch your body, I'm gone. And I ain't clocking in, I get the bag off mobile phones. Black lives matter, yeah, bitch, I'm Black Stone.
Rainy days go away. Just make sure you always get paid. Rainy days go away. Just make sure you always get paid.
For them rainy days, we make it rain up in the club. Thunderstorming in the bitch, get your umbrellas up. Blast felt like a lander with my propellers up. I swear these bitches real, but you know they come with stuff. Rainy days, rainy nights, I swear I had enough. And I can't stop the paper chase, I gotta get these bucks. Boy, don't try your luck, cause you know I get ugly. I'm out of town and you survive, you got luck in Kentucky. It cost 500 just to fuck me, she lucky she suck me. But she can lick this dick for free and she a cum guzzler. She tried not to catch feelings, but love how I thug her. I stay consistent when I'm dumping, cause the plug love me. If you can get this shit for cheap, tell your plug me. If shorty playing games, then you know I got a double. And if she done to get slaughtered, we run a train on her. Might put a chain on her and a pair of frames on her.